Hello! Today's video is a different kind of video than we've ever done before. We are doing an unboxing video. We're doing that for one reason. We got something really cool in the mail today, and I just had to share it. Here we go. Okay. This is really exciting. A brand new camera! We got this new camera for one reason. Our vlog. We're starting to have more people subscribe to the account, and really important to us is having good quality video. So, naturally we had to start with a good camera. So the camera we decided to get today was the EOS M50 by Canon. We looked around a lot, we saw a lot of reviews, we also talked to our friends, Josh and Taylor of the WDW couple, and really decided this was the best camera for us at this stage of the game. Even Jason was really impressed by the quality, and he's sometimes a hard sell. That's really important to us, so we're really excited to get this camera going. We have a lens mount adapter, a 50-inch tripod, spray and wipes and all those different things for the lens to help keep that the clearest picture we can. By the way, Jason picked out the kit, I picked out the camera, so I don't know everything that's coming, but it's like a holiday today, and that's really exciting. Obviously, light is an important part of any photo or video. Ooh. This is a filter set. This one is for ultraviolet, polarized, and fluorescent, so that's super helpful to get the best picture quality we can. This is a hand grip stabilizer tripod. We then have a Canon camera bag. Obviously, you're going to get a camera of this quality. You want to make sure it's safe. And lastly, we have an additional Canon lens. This is a 75 to 300 millimeter. What I think we're most excited about is that we get the opportunity to share good footage with you. And that starts with this camera. And from now on, hopefully, we'll start showing you even better footage using that camera. Hopefully, the next time you see us, it'll look a little clearer. It'll look a little more awesome. But until then, make sure you click thumbs up to give us a like. Make sure you click subscribe. And that you click that little bell icon up in the corner next to it. That'll help you know as soon as we have new footage. If you take our video and you share it on any social media platform, that helps other people see our videos, which helps our channel grow. That means so much to us every time we get a new subscriber. Thanks so much for checking out our first unboxing video. We can't wait to start off with all new footage at higher quality.